Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Box. So today I will show you how to get TikTok Pro account by using your Android mobile. But this method also works on iOS devices because these TikTok setting locations are common for all devices. So before going to our tutorial, so first of all, what is this TikTok Pro account? So if you are a TikTok lover and also if you make more TikTok videos, in your profile section it only shows views and followers. So at same time, if you are using this TikTok Pro account, you can watch your entire TikTok analytics, like how much you have profile views and the profile visitor counts, and also you can watch followers count. So in follower count section it exactly shows how much of male and female TikTok users. And another one is regions, which country peoples are most like your TikTok contents. So it shows the lots of details about your TikTok profile. So if you like to switch your profile to Pro account, so just follow me friends. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your TikTok application in your device and then click to sign in your primary account details. So once your TikTok account is ready, now in this section simply you can press this me icon and it is placed at the bottom of fifth one, and this is my TikTok profile. So in this profile section you can press this vertical three dot icon, and this icon is placed at almost half of right side corner, and it shows some TikTok account related settings, but you can go to manage my account settings and the first one. So finally I get to this TikTok Pro account option and it is highlighted with blue color link. So just press this switch to Pro account link, but it asks for confirmation, so you can press continue, and it asks for your TikTok account category, which means that which type of video you want to upload in your TikTok profile, and this is for your choice, and then press done option. So finally it shows welcome message, so you can click to OK. So how to check it if your account is switched to Pro account or not? So now in this section you can go to analytics. So on here you can see, so it shows some data about my TikTok profile, but unfortunately I did not upload any videos on my TikTok timeline. So due to the video time duration, I finished up my tutorial. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.